Hi friends, this is Shiva. Welcome back to Pictures and Paintings. Painting subjects with a lot of white areas is both interesting and tricky at the same time. In this vlog, you are going to watch me paint this seagull which has a lot of white feathers. Happy watching. I was invited at my workplace to do a live watercolor demo, and this painting was done for that particular purpose. The painting itself was fairly easy and straightforward. I focused on getting the details in the face, the wings and the side of the body, and then the legs and the wooden log in which the bird is standing. I did consciously ensure the white portion is not tampered much, and I left it with very minimal details. One place where I could have done a little better is the wooden log. I think I did 2-3 passes unnecessarily. I felt it was a little overworked, but overall it was salvaged, so no complaints. And about the background, I was in two minds. I first tried a very simple light blue shade to see how it is working. I wasn't fully satisfied with the result I was getting, so I went for a more darker shade of the blue, which helped pop the bird out. Another small thing is I tried to push some of the pink outside the legs to see how the color bleeding is working. It's a very small but very reassuring step for me, because so far I have never had the guts to push out the colors. So I felt pretty happy about that too. What do you think? Please, as always, share your thoughts and comments in the column below. Looking forward to reading them. Stay in touch. Thank you for watching this till the end. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.